We will discuss OpenStack. This is very interesting topic. In this section, we will discuss introduction of OpenStack, the story behind OpenStack, what is OpenStack, and what are the learning objectives in OpenStack. And at the end, we will summarize and conclude our discussion. This is the starting point of OpenStack when Jim Carrey wrote an email to Mr. Chris. It states that I run corporate development at Rackspace and am very interested in talking with your team about Nebula. Confidentially, we are in the process of open sourcing our cloud stack, and I am interested in seeing if there might be some synergies, opportunities for the two projects to work together. Would it be possible to set up some time to discuss with your team? This was the email that was written to Mr. Chris for collaboration purpose, and this was the beginning of the OpenStack. Nebula, the addressing party, actually is an open source cloud computing platform that was developed to provide an easily quantifiable and improved alternative to building additional expensive data centers and to provide an easier way for NASA scientists and researchers to share large, complex data sets with external partners and the public. Nebula's high-density architecture allows for a dramatically reduced data center footprint. Each shipping container data center can hold up to 15,000 CPU cores or 15 petabytes, whereas 1 petabyte equals 1 million gigabytes, proving 50% more energy efficient than traditional data centers. This was the birth of OpenStack, that was a collaboration between Rackspace, the open cloud company, and the Nebula, that was a project of NASA. More than 500 companies to date has participated in OpenStack, and there are more than 15,672 individual members of this community, and there are 2,130 developers, and every average monthly contributors are 374. Code contributions are 100,000, 206, and top 10 countries are supporting this venture, like United States, China, India, Great Britain, France, Russia, Australia, Canada, Japan, and Germany. The mission of OpenStack was to produce the ubiquitous open source cloud computing platform that will meet the need of public and private cloud providers, regardless of size, by being simple to implement and massively scalable. These are the principles of OpenStack: Apache 2.0 license OSI, open development process, open design process, 2x year public design summits, publicly available open source code repository, open community process documented, and transparent commitment to drive and adopt open standards. And it has modular design for deployment flexibility via APIs. There are two types of members in OpenStack. One category is platinum members and other is gold members. In platinum members, Open Infrastructure Foundation platinum members provides a significant portion of the funding to achieve the foundation's mission of protecting, empowering, and promoting the open infrastructure community and open source software projects. Each platform member's company strategy aligns with the Open Infra Foundation mission and is responsible for committing full-time resources towards the project. There are 8 platinum members at any given time, each of which holds a seat on the board of directors, and other type of members are gold members. These are Open Infrastructure Foundation Gold members provide funding and pledge strategic alignment to the Open Infra Foundation mission. There can be up to 24 gold members at any given time, subject to board approval. If your organization is highly involved with open infrastructure community and interested in becoming a gold member, they can be part of these members. Community with broad commercial support. These are the companies, those are supporting OpenStack. And this is the release schedule of OpenStack. On October 21, 2010, Nova Swift. This was the initial release of OpenStack, combining the two projects of Nova and Swift. Then Bexar, February 3, 2011, OpenStack Compute ready for enterprise private cloud deployments and mid-size service provider deployments. Enhanced documentation, easier to install and deploy. Then Cactus, that was on April 15, 2011. OpenStack Compute ready for large service provider scale deployments. This is the Rackspace ready release. Need to communicate Rackspace support and plan for deployment. Then in 2012, followed by Conference and Design Summit in Boston in early October. And then SX 2012, Nova Swift, Glance, Horizon, and Keystone joined the hands. These are the last few releases of OpenStack. The last release was on August 2017. That was the 16th release. Why OpenStack for cloud? We need some reason to move on to OpenStack. Number one reason, it's open source. All of the code for OpenStack is freely available under the Apache 2.0 license. Anyone can run it, build on it, or submit changes back to the project. Who it's for? It's for enterprises, service providers, government, and academic institution with the physical hardware that would like to build a public or private cloud. How it is being used today. Organizations like Cisco, WebEx, DreamHost, eBay, The Gap, HP, NASA, PayPal, Rackspace, and University of Melbourne have deployed OpenStack clouds to achieve control, business agility, and cost savings without the licensing fee in terms of proprietary softwares. Now let's discuss public clouds versus private clouds. Public clouds are cloud systems that are available for everyone's use. Public clouds services can be both free and subscription based, depending on the user's need and provider's business policies. There are a number of cloud providers like Google Cloud Platform, Dropbox, Office 365, SkyDrive, iCloud, IBM Smart Cloud, and Amazon Web Services. And private clouds. A private cloud can be offer the same services as a public cloud. Its services are limited to people behind the company's firewall. And private cloud providers are OpenStack, Eucalyptus, Apache Cloud Stack, OpenNebula, VMware, and Microsoft Azure. Automation and orchestration of IT resources. This is a new management layer that adds automation and control. It connects to application via APIs and self-service portals for users. Cloud operating system sits between the self-service portals and the automated networks.